Logic Pro X quick tip. Stretch your clips. Yep, I use this all the time and it works both on audio clips as well as MIDI parts. Let me show you how. So in Logic you can stretch MIDI clips which will extend the notes inside or reduce the notes in length. And for audio it time stretches the clip, which if you do it too much does not sound that good. But in small doses it can be great. And it is super simple. You use the mighty Option key, also called Alt key. I call it mighty because it seems that I use it so incredibly much when working in Logic. You simply hover your mouse in the bottom right corner of a clip, then press the Option key or Alt key, then you see this stretch icon appearing, and now you simply left click with your mouse and hold down the button as you drag either to the right to extend the clip or to the left to make it shorter. So why would you want to do this? Well, I love using it, for example, for making adjustments to chord progressions, like making a 1-bar chord into a half-bar chord, for example. Like up here you can see 4 chords, each 1 bar in length. Now I can first slice these up into 4 parts. Then I can get creative and use the stretch clip method to make this progression a bit more interesting time-wise than only having all chords exactly 1 bar in length. So I can start by selecting this chord here, hold down the Alt key or Option key and hover my mouse here, and let's make that half a bar. Let's make the third chord half a bar. Then I can use the Alt key again, holding it down and using the mouse to replicate this. So we have this chord now and a half bar of this chord. Then I might want to extend this to 2 bars. So again, hover your mouse here, hold down the Option key and drag out. Now this chord is 2 bars long. And let's say we want to make this one 1.5 bar and then finish with half a bar of this chord. So now this is a completely different chord progression than we started out with. And it works the same way with audio clips as well, but you want to be careful with how much you stretch audio clips because of the artifacts. So let's listen to this silly little recording I made. This is a test recording. Alright, so now if I want to extend it, simply hold down the Option key while you hover your mouse down here, drag it out, and let's overdo it just so you can hear how bad it sounds. This is a test recording. And undo that, and let's do the opposite way. Hold down the Option key again, make it short. This is a test recording. And most often you want to do minor adjustments like, let's say, a bit like that. This is a test recording. Then the artifacts of audio time stretching will not be as apparent. Super! Now try this out for yourself on both MIDI clips and audio clips. And I will see you in the next video. Subscribe now and watch a lot more videos on composing music, producing music, sound design, Logic Pro X and much more. I'll see you in the next video, my friends.